Are you struggling with scattered production data? Facing delays in tracking costs at each stage of manufacturing? Finding it difficult to manage orders, inventory, and van sales efficiently? Many businesses face these challenges daily, slowing operations and impacting growth. Meet RealSoft Manufacturing ERP, the ultimate solution trusted across the UAE for over 23 years. Designed to automate your entire production process, RealSoft provides complete visibility, accurate cost control, and seamless management of every stage, from raw materials to finished goods. Not every manufacturing units are the same. That's why RealSoft offers flexible formulas, customizable procedures, and ready-to-use solutions that adapt to your unique needs. RealSoft focuses the two main segments, the manufacturing industry, such as fasteners, clothing, printing, and more, and the production industry, which includes bakery, FMCG, chocolate, and other food-related businesses. We've designed two dedicated consoles, one for manufacturing and one for production, each tailored to its workflow. Stay on top of your business with the powerful, dynamic dashboard. Track KPIs, analyze trends, monitor alerts, and drill down into real-time analytics. Seamlessly integrate your POS system, streamline van sales, and manage multiple warehouses with ease. Keep your inventory optimized, never worry about stock shortages or overstocking, and track every transaction in real time. Monitor production section by section, from raw materials to final output. Analyze efficiency, maintain quality, and automatically calculate costs per unit, making every process more profitable and transparent. Take your manufacturing to the next level. Contact us now and experience the power, precision, and performance of RealSoft Manufacturing ERP.